Hello everyone. Today we are going to see on the subscriber questions. Okay. So they asked about this is my input here. I need to convert the output in this format. I need to convert it. Okay. In two ways. First it is in SQL I need to do it, and as well as I need to do that mapping. Okay. So they requested, that's the reason we are going to see on this one on today. Before going to see this question, first here I am taking that one dual table. Okay. Now see here, select here in the string, just see here the string, it is in the form of the comma separated values. Hello, it is one string. Okay. It is separated with comma. Second one, it is everyone. Third, it is good morning. So like that it is separated, and I am giving this aliases in the TR. Okay. Now select this statement and run it. Now we get that output here, but here I need to convert this output into in this format, like hello it is first row, everyone it is second row, good morning it is third row, like I need to convert it. Okay, so we can achieve this one with the help of the regular expression substring. We can achieve this one. Okay, so first in this syntax column it should be present, second it is pattern, third it is position, and fourth one is occurrences. Now we can start our writing the query. Here I am taking that one CTE. CTE, it is nothing but common table expression with CTE. Okay, with CTE as, then here we need to take over the dual table statement. Okay, just copy this above the statement and paste it here and remove the semicolon at the end of the statement. And after that we should use a regular expressions. Okay, select a regular expression and a substring. Okay, after that my first I need to take it column. Here column it is TR, it is presented, just take the TR here. Okay, TR comma pattern. Whenever you are giving the pattern, you should give that within the quotations. Okay, single quotation mark we should give it. Okay, inside the quotation give your patterns. Here within that enclosed bracket I just give that card and comma. Okay, so it is indicating that no matching any character, not enclosed. Okay, that is I need to match any character with a not enclose this one. Okay, so like that this pattern it is indicating. Second that is next I need to take third one, the position, and next we can take the occurrences. Okay, in the second step we can take this occurrences. After that just I am taking that CTE, that is my table name here. Here I am considering the table name, it is here the with CTE, this one only here I am considering. Now select the statement and run it. This is my step 1. Okay, I am taking once we are executing the statement means, see here first one it is we got the H only, we got it. Okay, why we are getting the H only means, now see in this statement here we need to add the plus here. Why we are need to add means, first it will take the string. Okay, string in this first character only it is taking without plus. If you are adding the plus means it will take the remaining character, that is it is reading the remaining character and give the result set. Okay, now run the statement. Okay, now see here we got that hello. Okay, this is my step 1. Step 1. Okay, now the same step only we move on to our step 2. Okay, here we need to write the connect by class. Okay, why I am using that connect by classes mean, with help of this connect by classes we can make the rows. Okay, multiple rows we can make it based on this connect by classes. Connect by level less than or equal to. Okay, here we need to take the length of the string. Here my string name it is TR. Okay, take the length of the string TR. Okay, and length of the, first we need to take the length of the string with commas. Next I need to take the length of the string without commas. Okay, first I have taken the with comma. Okay, second I need to take that without comma. So just make the replace. Okay, replace TR. We know that if I want to replace the string, okay, if I want to replace means the particular character, okay, we can use this replace function, string function. With help of that we can use it. And here I am replacing with a null character only. Okay, now close the statement and give the semicolon and run the statement. Now see here, we got the two rows, we got it, but in the two rows hello only presented. In the two rows it is presented. Why it is presented means we should call our that level, okay, in the occurrences. Okay, see here, once we are making that level here, okay, that is we are calling the level here means that time we can get the second string. In the second row we can get it, hello everyone. This is my step 2. Okay, in the first step what we done, we are using the CTE. That is because why we are using CTE means we are considering the dual statement. That's the reason we are making the CTE. Then we are using the regular expression substring. After that we are using that pattern and we run the statement. And after that we are using that connect by classes. Why we are using that connect by classes? With the help of this connect by classes we can get that multiple rows based on that what we written in the connect by classes. Okay, now third it is we can go for the step 3. We can go for a select the statement, okay, and paste it down. Here we need to add the +1. I will tell you that why we need to add it. Now select the statement in the step 3 and run it. Now see here we got that the 3 rows it is presented in our output. Okay, now we'll see the explain of the +1 how it is working with connect by classes. First I have considered the length of the string. Okay, in this length of the string that it is present 26 character it is presented. Okay, next I am taking the length of replace string comma. Here we are taking that comma here, replace of comma into some other characters, but next character I am not taking, so just it is remove this the comma from the string. Okay, that is string means in the str it will be removed. Okay, so how many comma it is presented means 1 and 2 comma it is presented. Total number of the length it is 26. It is 2 comma if I subtract it, it means I can get the result 24. I can get it. Okay, now 26 minus 24 we can get the result, it is 2 we can get it. Okay, and after that here we are adding +1. Okay, so +1 means we can get the result equal to, okay, 3 we can get the result. 3 we can get it. So see here, connect by level less than or equal to 3. Okay, so 3 rows it will be populated. Based on this one only we can get the output here. Okay, so this is my SQL part. Now we'll see on that IICS how it's working. Go to new, mapping, create the mapping. So once the mapping it is created, just change your mapping name, m underscore comma rows. Okay, this is my mapping name. Okay, now select your object. So here we are moving to that advanced level option. In that SQL override, we want to write the SQL queries. So what we have done in that our Oracle SQL in this mapping, just take this query only. Okay, copy this query and paste it in SQL override and go to your target. Which target you have taken, whether it is a file or database. So I am taking that database here. Now create the target at new at runtime. I am giving the tgt underscore n. Okay, this is my target table. Click on OK. Now once you are giving that create target new at runtime, so we should not be able to do that the mapping and all. Just save your mapping. So once the mapping it is saved, it will be going to that mapping, it is valid state, and start to run your mapping. Refresh your mapping 1 or 2 times. First it is starting, then it will be queue, then it will be running, then we can get the status, the success rows are like that. Now see here, from the source we got the 3 rows and it is populated to the target, it is 3 rows, it is populated. Okay, now go to your Oracle. Okay, now go to your core schema. Here select star from my target table, it is tgt underscore n. Now select this statement and run it. Now see here we got that output. Okay, so today we discussed on comma separated values into multiple rows. Okay, in SQL as well as IICS. In that upcoming session, we'll see on what they have asked, that viewers asked the questions. We'll discuss on in the upcoming session. Thank you for watching. If this session is really helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it, like it. Thank you.